this is a Lego puzzle box, and if you want to see how it's made, I need 100 likes, at least 10 dislikes. I would like 0, and 50 subscribers, and comment on any other things I should make. I have a couple other videos. So how it works is, okay, first off, on this side, nothing really slides open or anything. And then nothing slides on this side, but this side, you can slide open this little piece right here. It's just this. And you get this red key. And then you see this white spot, this like one white spot. And you just push it in. And pull it out. So it's like, and then you get this out. And it's useless. It doesn't have a key or anything. And then you can take your key and put it in here and get this gray key. Then you take this gray key and put it in the hole. It's in there, right there. And push, and this comes out. And then you get your black key, which then you stick in this blue keyhole. And you get your last key. And then you stick it in this keyhole. Oh. Right here, it's a headlight brick. Put it in. And you can pull this out, and then you get your prize. Thanks for watching. 100 likes, 0 dislikes, and 50 subscribers.